Okay, guys, today I finally got my hands on a Labubu blind box. I've been waiting for this moment, and I cannot wait to see which one is inside. I'm nervous. Should I hope for the rare one? All right, here we go. She starts opening the box, peeks inside, then quickly hides it behind her back with a playful laugh. Oh no, you're not ready for this. Should I show you? Should I? After teasing for a moment, she finally reveals it with excitement. Ta-da! It's the brown Labubu. This is the one I wanted. Look how cute it is. I can't believe I actually got it.